Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to clear this notification. Check charger or USB port. Moisture has been detected in your charger and USB port, and that means there are some water inside this port. The first thing you should do is to give it a little shake. And then use a blower or use your mouth and blow inside the charging port to get all the water out. Do not blow into the speaker or the microphone, because if the speaker or the microphone has water inside, if you blow it, it will push the water inside the phone, which is not what we want. And blow it some more at different angle. Then check if the notification is gone or not. And the notification is gone. If it is still there, the next thing is to use a hair dryer and dry the port. Use a hair dryer. Turn it on. And now check the notification, see if it's still there or not. If it is still there, leave the phone still. Do not use it for like about 1 hour, or keep using the hair dryer and try to dry out the port. And let's go ahead and plug it in, see if it charges or not. This is the moment of truth. If my method works, then it should say fast charging. And fast charging, 35 minutes until full. So that is how you're supposed to fix the moisture detected notification. Don't use the method where you turn off the phone and then plug the power port, plug the cable in, because it might damage the phone, because you don't want to plug the charging cable in while the port is wet. You have to blow all the water out, dry the port completely before plug the cable in. So that's it for this video. If I help you and solve your problem, please click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.